of the world here in Omaha. What does last week's showing at the Greenbrier do for you and confidence coming to Omaha?
Well, I played pretty well. I kind of know the golf course. I played some of the holes. Well, my wedge game was very, very good, and I hit the ball very close to the hole there with the wedge last week. So that was a big positive. I didn't drive the ball particularly well. I didn't hit my long irons particularly well, but I scored particularly well with the short clubs the last 2 days. And first 2 days I played very well, but then it kind of fell off the last couple of days. I didn't play quite as well to tee to green. And that's what you need here, this golf course, is tee to green play. And anytime you play in the USGA Championship, if you don't drive the ball in the fairway, you're dead. You're done. This rough is as tough a rough as I've ever played, honestly. It really is. Even when you just cut the 7 yards of rough off the edge of the fairway. That rough is about that tall, but the ball goes right down into it. I can't move it out. Very few guys out here can do it. So it's a premium to put the ball in the fairway. That's the USGA event. And the one thing is a little bit easier. The greens are softer because of the heat. Keep the greens and that type of, and a little bit slower than we normally play. But that's again, I think you'll see some pretty decent scores because of the greens being softer. I know we had 3/10 of an inch of rain yesterday. It jaded my estimation of the softness of the greens right now. The golf course is a true test. As I was here 4 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, when they first announced the Omaha Country Club being the venue for this year's tournament, and I had a chance to go around the golf course. And one thing that just stood out was how many uphill shots you had on this golf course. Uphill approaches to greens. You have it on 14 of the 18 holes. Par threes are all downhill. All the par fours, par fives are up. And that didn't bode very well yesterday. I decided I was going to play 18 holes yesterday. That was not a good idea. That was not a good idea. Wore myself out walking this golf course with 103 temperature out there. Heat index, it wore me out today on the